going on, guys? Daddy Mining here. Hope everyone is having a wonderful night. Back with more fan maintenance. So back when I acquired, what was it, like those 9 or 10 GPUs, the 6600 and I think the 5700 XT, I had one spot open on my 5700 XT and 6700 XT rig, and that's where I slapped that bad boy. But in the meantime, this is off of that rig, and you can see there my fans aren't spinning like they should be. Oh, there goes a little bit. One of these fans died and completely quit spinning. I forget which one it was, but we're just going to replace both fans. Let's get going. So this is a 5700 XT XFX, and it is the super thick one. There was a back panel on this. I took it off. These things suck. They are awful, notoriously absolutely crappy for cooling. One thing I saw on Reddit was removing this back side here and just leaving the card exposed helps a lot with cooling, which it did. Now the cooling on this card sucks, but this card in particular is fantastic for power. All of my, so right now my 5700 XT and 6700 XT rigs are mining Neoxa. Most of my 5700 XTs are getting about 145 watts. My 6700 XTs are getting about 105. Well, this card is only getting about 110. So I mean, for how much cooling, or how much this card sucks cooling, it actually is really damn good in the power department. So, all right, let's take it apart. I've never opened this. I still have the sticker on it. Oh wait, no, I have opened it. Duh, I just told you I took the back off. Hello, sorry. It's been a long day. Okay, let's take this off. And we're just going to remove this guy. Because while we're here, we might as well re-thermal paste everything. And I don't think we're going to repad this thing, but for the most part, I mean, this thing was repadded not that long ago. I think, pretty sure. Got some Q-tips and isopropyl alcohol, so let's clean this guy up just a wee bit. Just a couple of screws here holding this heat sink in place. Okay, here's our fan assembly. Let's check out the replacements and see what we got. XFX replacements, hopefully they'll do. Okay, so it looks like this one goes on this side, this one goes on this side. Old fans. Okay, screws are back in. I had to do a little bit of screwing around here. The wire I had coming over here for some stupid reason instead of over here where it goes out of this clip. So that's all put back together. And oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, they look good. Okay, let's get this guy back on. There we go. Let's put these screws back in. Okay, there we have it. Replaced fans. Let's throw it in real quick and let's see what happens. All right, we got the GPU in my test bench right now, so let's fire it up and see if the fans work. There we go. All right, I would call that a success. You guys all have a good night.